Hello brothers, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay guys, today again I'm here to share with you another very powerful trick on 1xbet. Okay guys, this trick I'm going to share with you guys is going to really help you to win your bet in a more easy way on 1xbet. Okay, so guys, if you are new here, the best thing to do to never miss any of my new videos, guys, okay, is to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, and those of you that really love what I'm doing, those of you that really appreciate my work here, okay, the best way for you to show me that you love what I'm doing, guys, is to like my video. Guys, like my video. This is the only way you can tell me that you like my work. Okay guys, and above all, share the video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks and options that I'm sharing here. Okay guys, okay, so guys, before we start, okay, as you know, it is very important for me, okay, those of you who really like security like me, those of you who really want to secure their accounts, those of you who don't want to win money on the 1xbet and not able to withdraw it, those of you who want to secure their account in a way that whatever the amount of money you are going to win here, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue. Okay, the best thing you can do, guys, is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit. Okay, and also this promo code will 100% secure your account. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world. Okay guys, so guys, without wasting time, okay, let's go make I show you this powerful trick. Okay, let's come to Spain. Okay, then let's come and select this match. Okay, La Liga. Let's find. Okay guys, as I said, okay, the option is there is something that is more important than the option that I'm going to share with you. It is how you are going to select the option, in which case you have to select the option, in which case you are not going to select that option. Okay, so follow the video and watch the full video so that you understand. Okay, let's come to Serie A here. Okay guys, as you can see here, when you come to the match, okay, the first remark we can do here is that the home team have more chance to win this match, and the second team is very weak. Okay, this is the type of matches that the option work more with. Okay, so if before you select this option, okay, make sure that the match look like this: a very strong team against a very weak team. Okay guys, I hope you are following me. Okay, now we know that here the home team, we are going to target this second team. Okay, we see that here the second team is very weak. Okay, we are going to target this second team. Okay, we are going to target the team. Okay, so what we are going to do now, let's go to SofaScore to do more investigation about the second team. Okay, let's come to SofaScore. Okay, let's click on the match. Okay, the same match on SofaScore, and let me show you something. As soon as we come to SofaScore, let's click on the second team here. Okay, let's click on it. We come to the statistics of the teams of this team. Okay, and then we can see here that this team doesn't have good strikers. Okay, their strikers are very weak. You see that this is the average of goal this team score in each match. Okay, the average is about 1 goal per match. Okay, and this is very slow for a team who wanted this is very low for a team who wants a good position inside the league. Okay, 1 goal per match is very low. Okay, and we know that this team usually not score a lot of goals. Okay, as soon as we know and we see that, okay, we make sure that this team is is going to not score a lot of goals here. Okay, then we come back to sofa score, to 1xbet, please. Guys, be patient. Okay, we come back to 1xbet. Okay, and as I said, guys, always make sure that it is a weak team that is playing against a very strong team. Okay, then after sure that the odds look like this type of odds, now you target the weakest team. Okay, after doing that, now you calm down. Let's calm down, guys. Okay, let's calm down. Okay, let's find our option. Let's calm down. Guys, the option is down. Okay, our option is down, guys. Let's calm down. let's calm down let's calm down. Sorry, guys, it's not here. Our option is down, guys. Okay, let me, guys, be patient. Okay, guys, this is our option. Okay, team 2 to score their goal in half. Okay, team 2 to score their goal in half. Okay, team 2 to score their goal in half. Okay, let me explain to you this option. Okay, here there, what is 1xbet is trying to ask you here. Okay, here 1xbet is trying to ask you if you are sure. Okay, if you are sure that this team will score their first goal or second goal in the first half. Okay, in first half or second half, then you can select here. If you are sure that the team is not going to score in the first half or in the second half, then you have to also select this type of options. Okay, guys, so guys, I hope you are following me here. The option is saying first goal in one half. Okay, yes, and no goal. Okay, here first goal in second half. Okay, and first goal in first half, no. Okay, so guys, here they are asking you, okay, if you know that in the first half the second team is going to score their first goal in the first half, then you select this option. But if you know that this team is not going to score their first goal in the first half, okay, then you select no. Sorry, guys, you select this option here, no. Okay, but we know that, because we know that this team is a very, very weak team, and we know that this team cannot score their first goal in the first half here, because the team is very weak, and the strongest team, I mean Roma, is going to have the possession during the first half. Okay, the strongest team will try to score their first goal on the first half, so it is almost impossible for the second team to score their first goal in the first half here. Guys, I know what I'm saying and I know what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to target this option, guys. First goal in first half, no. We are going to say, by selecting this, that the weakest team here is not going to score their first goal in the first half. Okay, guys, this is a very, very sure option, guys. Okay, please don't mind these options, don't mind these options. Okay, don't mind them. Okay, these options are not good for us. Okay, don't mind this. Okay, our goal and our options is this. Okay, so you just come here, you make sure that it is a match that is playing between a very strong teams against a very weak team. Okay, and you come to this option, team 2 to score their goal in half, and then you select first goal in first half, and you select no. Okay, and here you can see that the odd is a little bit high. The odd is 135. Okay, and this is enough for us to win our bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, you can select up to 2 or 3 matches, okay? But please guys, don't be greedy, don't select more than 2 or 3 matches, okay? Don't select more than 3 matches, okay? It is very important, okay? Then you just select this, you make your you place your bet and you win in a very easy way, guys, okay? It is very important, okay? So guys, this is the option I wanted to share with you, okay? I want you to tell me what you think about this option and tell me what you think in the comment, okay? I'll be really happy to answer your questions, okay? So guys, please take care of yourself and have a nice evening. Ciao, I love you guys.